I just still feel so lucky about so many things that happened last year, and somehow we found this beautiful beach apartment, and I just feel very grateful.
Yeah, it has a cabin feel to me. It's almost like a beach apartment that you would find in the mountains.
Yes, luckily we didn't go to the mountain because our daughter Hannah, she doesn't like a mountain at all. Oh, look at our friends, they're visiting us. And our little Snuffy just so happy, enjoying the beach life. That just remember we have like 2.5 months before our new house is done. We got nowhere to go. We just sold our last house, and luckily we found this perfect home in San Clemente, and this is our first time experience the beach life in Southern California. So far so good, right?
I lived in California most of my life and never lived closer than 60 miles from the beach. And I've always thought about living at the beach and always thought it'd be pretty good. It is so much better than I expected.
Especially during COVID-19. This was last year around April.
Yes.
Because 4月份的时候我们把房子卖掉了，然后再等2个半月，等下一个新房子盖好的期间，看一看泰山老师多么的高兴，每一天带着小 Snuffy 我们的小狗狗去海边的公园去散步。这个公园就在我们公寓，一下楼就能到这个小公园。然后韩娜也每天带着小狗狗去散步。我们每天大概能够再住2层楼，能够下楼去这个海边的公园，然后顺着楼梯一直往下走，就大概走2-3分钟就可以走到海滩。那疫情期间呢，你可以看到停车也不是很多，现在也不用戴口罩了。但是我们刚刚搬进去年4月份的时候，每个人必须戴口罩。那么现在呢，就好了很多。
Hello, 我是泰山老师。We have shows every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Please watch them, like them, subscribe to them. Oh, hi. You're back. In the back of my mind, I think of today's idiom. It's about time. It's another example of a good idiom because the words don't match the meaning. It pertains to time. It doesn't make sense. The meaning of this is it's finally happening. And it's happening later than it should be happening. So when you say it's about time, you're saying finally you're doing this. You use it on its own. You usually use it when someone finally completes a task that you're frustrated has not been completed a long time ago. Now, a sample sentence. When I finally deliver this video on idioms, Lulu will say, well, it's about time. I asked her what I procrastinate about, and she said, a lot of things. But I made her name one, and she said, "These lessons." So, when you click subscribe to our channel, know that we will be grateful, but also know that deep in our hearts we'll be saying, "It's about time."
That's your birthday. Okay, then you put. Let me honor you. My God. Ow, ow, it hurts me. So strong. Please don't. Thank you. Take it. Oh my gosh. Ow. Yes.
So now we're moving over into the food section of San Clemente, and we had a lot of good food. We're starting with a anniversary brownie. I think I've discussed this with Anna, and according to her, she thinks I made the brownie, and then she was the one who decorated it. So there it is. It was, I'm sure, delicious, and I'm sure the icing had cream cheese in it. That's important. I find cookies to be very therapeutic.
And all of the seafood. And our friends came over to celebrate my birthday. Then this is a Mother's Day. And 泰山老师给我做的母亲节快乐早餐，我也非常的感动。然后时不时的还给我们做一些甜酒。小韩娜做的墨西哥菜。我就看着海景来包水饺。生活是多么的美好。尽管在疫情期间最困难的那几个月，我们还是过得很幸福。这个是泰山老师做的 What is that? Chocolate cheesecake?
Oh yeah, I think
This
so.
Hannah made something, right?
Yeah, she did an orange cream blintz, I think.